What's up? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So I recently purchased these Neewer brand magnetic ND filters and I have quite an opinion about them. But first, do the typical YouTube things and get ready, because here we go. So about a year or so ago, I was out shooting at the drag strip and I was talking to another photographer out there, and the topic of ND filters came up. He ended up letting me shoot using his K&F Concepts magnetic filters, and I thought they were pretty damn cool. They made changing filters easier and didn't diminish any quality in my images at all. Now, I had thought about grabbing a set for a while, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to dish out the $127 for the set of 3. So I ended up buying the Neewer variable ND filter, and although it's done a great job for me, I just kept thinking about those magnetic ND filters. So as I'm surfing Amazon looking for ND filters for my drone, I see this set of 5 Neewer magnetic ND filters for the same price as the K&F set of 3. So as you do, you read the reviews, and I ended up picking them up. So just starting off, Neewer has no knowledge of this review. They have no input whatsoever over what I say in this video, nor have they contacted me or sponsored me, this video, or my channel at any point. I purchased these filters with my own money, and all the thoughts are mine and mine alone. So with that said, here it is. Now, I've already opened the box, but I want to take you through what comes inside. So, opening this thing up, all that's in here is this manual and this cool little Neewer case. So opening up the case, it has the adapter, 4 ND filters, all magnetic. Pretty cool little case. I like it. Now inside we have the ND4, the ND8, the ND64, and the ND1000. And this seems like the perfect combination of filters to cover pretty much anything. Plus they're fully stackable. But you can't make great photos with something that doesn't work. So that's the $1,000,000 question here. Do they work? And just how well? Well, I took them out and I gave them a try. All right, so we're up here at the first cave. This is the picnic cave, I guess is what it's called. And every time I come up here, I get this same shot, but every time it's different. I put my camera right here next to this big rock, this big wall, and I snap away. Today I'm actually checking out these Neewer magnetic filters, so we're gonna see if that makes any difference at all. So let's take a peek. Ooh, nice. So I must say that these Neewer magnetic filters, these things are awesome. So easy to use, man, and they stay on really good. So like you can't get it off. They've definitely come in handy today. So hopefully I got some really good shots. And now it's on to the petroglyphs. So I think that Neewer hit the mark once again. I didn't see a difference at all when compared to the K&F Concept filters. These filters are made with high quality materials. The glass has 30 layers of nano coatings and is scratch and water resistant. The image quality is not negatively affected in any way, and most of the time I forgot I actually had the filter on my lens. So I think it's safe to say that not only am I once again pleased with my purchase of a Neewer product, but honestly, I think they may be my favorite photo/video accessories manufacturer now. I think I've purchased around 50 items from them already, and I've never had an issue. I'm always pretty much impressed with the quality and the usability, and I have nothing but positive things to say so far about any product that I've used. So I would 100% recommend not just these filters, but anything with the Neewer name on it. Again, that's based on the items that I've used so far. So what do you think of Neewer? Have you used their products? Give me your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience with Neewer and any other items you may have used. Again, I'm not sponsored or endorsed by Neewer. However, if someone from Neewer comes across this video, hit a dude up. I'm down to work with your brand. So that's gonna do it for this one. Make sure before you go to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also visit my website jeff-gresham.com for photo prints, drone photos, and my newly released Lightroom preset pack that features 13 presets that I personally use every day. It's only $10 and it helps me out to keep the channel growing. And until next time, get out there and shoot. And I'll see you guys in the next video.